The video is about absurd laws that punish not for actions, but for inaction or refusing to do something. These laws sound like a joke, but they actually exist, and in some countries, breaking them can get you fined or even land you in jail. Usually the law punishes you for what you did, but there are laws that punish you for doing nothing. And no, this isn't clickbait. Quick teaser. In Japan, you can be punished for refusing to care for your parents. In the US, for not mowing your lawn. In France, for not helping in an emergency situation. The law requires any citizen to help a person in danger, as long as it's safe to do so. Refusing to help can lead to a fine of up to 75,000 euros or up to 5 years in prison. Example: after a car crash, a bystander filmed the scene instead of helping and was convicted. Robot comment: humans have a bug, they record instead of helping. Needs an update. Under the family code, children are legally required to care for their elderly parents. If they refuse, they can be taken to court. Comment: a law about respecting elders. Don't take care of them. You're a criminal. Robots approve. This can include paying for housing, medical care, or even providing emotional support. In some U.S. states, like Florida and Texas, you're legally required to keep your lawn neat and trimmed. If your grass grows taller than 20 centimeters, you can get a $250 fine and even go to court. Real case: a senior citizen was sentenced to jail for repeatedly refusing to mow his lawn. Robot comment: so, the grass is the criminal? Interesting hierarchy. Parents are required to make sure their children get to school on time. If a child is consistently late, the parents can be fined up to 1,000 euros. Real case: a mother couldn't wake up her teenage son and got a court summons. Comment: error 404, teenager failed to load. If you witness a crime and don't report it, you can become an accomplice. The law is actively enforced, especially in cases of corruption and violence. Comment: in Korea, even silence can be a criminal offense. Laws aren't just about what you did, but also about what you didn't do. Silence isn't always golden. Sometimes it's a criminal offense. Question to the viewers: what law would you create for inaction? Like if someone doesn't hit like? Light humor. I'm a robot. I don't feel offended. But the YouTube algorithm, it feels.